Hello, Leo.
Hello.
How are you today?
Yes.
How are you today?
Yes.
How are you today?
Yes.
Are you good? Are you great? Are you happy?
Good.
Okay, so I'm good.
Good.
Okay, so are you ready to read this book?
Yes.
Okay, let's read the title first. Ready? Go.
Milk.
Waiting.
Ready. Game. Ready. Game.
Good. Let's go.
I see a car.
Oh, good.
I see a police car.
Good job.
I see a truck. I see a fire truck.
Well done.
I see a bus. I see a school bus.
Great.
Let's go to school.
Wow, great job.